I really believe that an organization, an end customer, should have a training program in place. You know, and how do we view training? How do we record our training? How do we return to updating our training so that when you do bring new equipment in or new processes, whether you do that internally or whether you outsource for another partner to bring in and deploy a new system, then the training program can be aligned with how you do training and how you implement it so that it will then be deployed in a way that works, and it won't be a surprise to your staff on how the training's done, because then the training will be in alignment with what you've done in the past. And it'll also hopefully, if you do have good specifications in place, then things like your computer screens or your HMIs will match how you've been doing it in the plant because you have standards in place. So it makes training that much easier.